you through really quickly how you can clean this data set. You've seen on the website, there's a lot of useless information on here. There's some things here that can be turned into numbers, so I'm going to show you how that's done. So you've opened that up, you obviously notice that these columns here are just totally useless information. It's information that Qualtrics has collected from the user. So all I'm going to do is highlight these and delete them out. Also, you notice up here there's 3 columns relating to the variable. This one, I'm not sure what it really collects, but you don't need that one, so you can delete that out. And then you can either keep this one as your variable label, so question 1, 2, or you can actually keep the question you asked the participant. I'm going to keep the question and delete that one out. So now you've got the neat sort of rows and the variables in the column here. And here you've got all the data in this very, very big data set. You've noticed that these things are already nicely in rows and numbers. I don't really need to do much with that at this point. But here I, for example, asked people about where they lived, and I asked them to enter the place. So in this column, really, I will demonstrate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the filter on, data, filter. And here, really, I want to record, do they live in the UK or not? Because there's, yeah. So really what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter, I'm going to do A to Z, and then you can just scroll through. And you'll notice that most of these are Britain, England, UK. So there's 2 ways you can do that. One, you can go to replace and then replace, for example, with a 1 and replace all, and it will do that way. Here you'll see it's 1. So in my code book I'd record if they live in Britain, it's a 1. If they don't, it's outside. And you do the same with these. So you can either have England as 2 or again Britain all as 1. And the other thing, final thing you need to do is you notice there's gaps in here. This is where there's missing values, and really what we want Jamovi later to know is when there is a missing value, so that when you're doing your test, it excludes those values. So all you're going to do, you can do it with the whole data set, but that takes a long time for this particular set, so I'm going to just do it with 1 column. I'm going to do this 1 column, and I'm going to replace the blanks, blanks with an NA, which which is for missing value, and replace all, and you'll see it's put them in here. So now when I upload this in Jamovi, it'll come up as a blank space, but the computer recognizes it as a missing value already. All right, thank you.